How to change Netflix region. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually change your Netflix region, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe a content that you're trying to watch is basically geo restricted, and then maybe you want to remove that restriction, where it's very simple to do so. Now there are many popular VPN applications out there, such as you have the ExpressVPN, you have the NordVPN, you have CyberGhost, you have Private Internet Access. All of these are premium VPNs, but if you want to download a specific one, you can simply choose any of the VPNs over here and then just connect to that server. In my case, I already have one of the US VPNs downloaded, so I will just select that and then I'll just connect to a specific server over here. When I connect to a specific server, I'll be able to simply go ahead and then actually open up the specific server and then open up Netflix and then watch Netflix in that way. This is simply how I can change my country or my Netflix region. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.